So how do you change your brake light bulb? So we're going to talk about it on this edition of the DIY Toolbox.
Need auto parts? Go Parts.
Hey guys, I'm Gannon with the DIY Toolbox, and on this edition we're talking about brake lights and the bulbs that go out. There's no reason to change the whole assembly when it's just a bulb, so let's fix it. So how hard is it to change your brake light bulbs? I give it a 1 on a wrench level of difficulty because it really is that easy. So a 1's pretty easy. That means you can do it. First off, start by popping the trunk. Look in the trunk and find the cover that gets to your brake light assembly. Pop that cover off, it's usually some screws, and look in there and you're gonna see some more screws holding on your brake light assembly. Go ahead and remove those screws. Once removed, move outside the car and gently but firmly pull out your taillight assembly. Once you have the taillight out, go ahead and find the brake light bulb harness. Twist it one way or the other and it will come out. Take the old bulb, pull it out, and take the new bulb and put it in the harness nice and firm. Before you put it back in the car though, be sure to test the brakes and make sure that the new light works. If the new light works, you're good to go. Go ahead and take the harness, put it back in the taillight assembly, turn it till it's nice and snug, and put the taillight assembly back in the car, go in the trunk, and retighten the screws that you took out to pull it out. Once the screws are tight, put your cover back on, test it one more time for the brake lights and the turn signals, and once everything passes, you're good to go. Thanks for watching the DIY Toolbox, everybody. I'm Gannon. Be sure also to stop at go-parts.com and order your taillight bulbs today. No reason to buy the whole assembly when you just need a bulb.
Go Parts, your go-to place for auto parts.